Welcome. If you're looking to unlock more features and tools on Discord, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to enable developer mode on Discord Mobile. Whether you're a bot creator, a server admin, or just curious about Discord's hidden features, enabling developer mode opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings, where you can customize your Discord experience. Now, scroll down the list of options until you find the section labeled App Settings. Here, you'll see an option called Advanced. Go ahead and tap on Advanced to continue. Inside the Advanced settings, you'll spot a toggle switch labeled Developer Mode. This is the key feature we're looking for. Simply tap the toggle to turn Developer Mode on. You'll know it's enabled when the switch turns a different color, usually blue or green, depending on your device theme. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Developer Mode on Discord Mobile. With Developer Mode on, you can now copy user IDs, server IDs, channel IDs, and message IDs. Super useful for building bots, reporting issues, or managing your server more efficiently. Remember, you can always return to the same settings to turn developer mode off if you don't need it anymore. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Have questions or want to learn about other Discord features? Drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.